How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial we're gonna be making an Afrobeat. Okay, without further ado, let me play the beat first and I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat, let's feel the vibe. Okay, very simple beat, but I like it. So without further ado, let me explain how I made this awesome beat. So the first thing was the BPM 93, as you can see. So the first instrument of the list, I'm using XPAND 2. The first one was this warm natural piano, and then I played this chord progression. I've started from F sharp minor. This is F sharp minor, then E minor, again E minor, then back to F sharp minor. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. Okay, the next instrument, again same chord progression but different instrument. I'm using this default preset, I think is a pad. Let's listen how it sounds. Okay, the next one, again XPAND 2, the same chord progression but different instrument. This time I'm using the X Dreams. This is a arpeggiator. So let's listen, let's see how it sounds. Okay, next one, the same chord progression, different instrument. This time I'm using the tuned bells, but I've sharpened the chords. Okay, as you can see, I give it some little delay and some little rhythm. So let's see how it sounds. Okay, nice one. Next one, again XPAND 2. This time I'm using, what's this? Dulce harp. Oh, dulce. This harp. Okay, I've played this melody. Okay, the next one, I'm using this Ace player. Insomnia preset. I'm using this Darling Me preset, okay? Not Insomnia. The Insomnia, I think, is a sound pack, okay? So let's see how it sounds. Again, it's the same melody, but different instrument, okay? Okay, then the next one, back again to XPAND 2. I'm using which preset? Taiko plus bass preset. Then I've played this bass line. Let's listen how it sounds. This is the same melody. I just transpose it down to the bass side so that it can sound like a bass, okay? Let's listen again. Okay, so now let's go to drums. First one, I'm using this plugin. This is TRAX. Okay, I'm using this kit 3, and then I've played this. What is this? Okay, this percussion. Easy. The next one, sorry. Again, same plugin, kit 2 this time. Then I've played this. What's this? I think it's a hi-hat, something like that, shaker or something like hi-hat. Okay. Next one, I'm using the same plugin. This time I'm using kit 3 for the kick. This is the kick, Village Footsteps. Okay, very easy, simple. Then I'm using the same plugin, kit 8, to play this drum fill. Okay, let's listen. Okay, that's it for the beat. And I'm using this one. No, this is the, oh, what's this? These samples, just to give this effect transition. Okay, that's it for the beat. Let's listen to the beat. And thanks for watching. If you like the beat, just subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. And consider share this video to others so that they can benefit of this content. Okay, peace.